Hi guys. Well, it's me, and reason I haven't been uploading as much, well, for a few days at least, like 2 days. Well, I've been busy working on this special thing that will be released on Halloween. But for right now, this will be a video. This is a ghost pepper donut at Dunkin' Donuts. Now let's just look at this. Actually pretty good. Oh, sweet at first, then kind of spicy. Let's just take a bite of this thing. That's very good. Oh no, there's the spice. So basically, it's not really spicy, but it's good. Sweet at first, then spicy, which I really love. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Not too spicy, but enough spicy after tea. All I wanted to do, next video will probably be on Halloween because I've been crazily making this video. It's gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna have to focus a lot of attention into it. So, bye guys.